Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys what is new on the Dress to Impress winter update that's like not kind of like holiday themed. So first we got this like super cute dress, which is just like a weekly item. They're going to remove it after 1 week, but you can try out like their old items that they had on Dress to Impress. That's what I'm trying to say. That's like the Sabrina Carpenter dress. There's also like this kind of like face mask here. It's perfect for like nurse and like doctor themes. You don't have to like make your own. Now you have that. That's like something new. And there's also one thing new. I'm actually wearing it right now. It's not in the like holiday section of the VIP. But it's like this really cool armor suit, which I really like. Like, look how cool this is. You can pair it with some swords and stuff like that. But that's pretty much like the new item that's like outside of the Dress to Impress winter update. Let me just color this in first because I want to. Also, you can like add a lot like different materials to all of the items, which I think is pretty cool. But here's like the new items from the like winter update that's like holiday themed. But like that mask and this armor suit isn't. It's just something that they added, which I think is super cool. But yeah, that is it. Let me know if I missed anything. Oh, I did miss something. Did this change? Yeah, like the shape changed. Okay, that is also well reworked, I guess. But yeah, that is it for this video. Let me know if I missed anything. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.